This came out so beautiful and colorful. Doesn't get any better than this. What else can we do now? We all learned something new today. Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to create lovely colorful monoprints using our own photos. For this process, we're going to use a gel printing plate, but if you don't have one, you can easily make your own homemade plate. Check out this video to see how you can make your own homemade plate, and I also show how to make a vegan option. So let's quickly see what we need for this process. And don't worry if this is too fast for you, as I'm going to place links to all these products. So make sure to check out the links to all the products I'm using today below this video. Okay, so now let's make the neon background for our photo transfers. Place a few colors on the plate and spread the paints any way you want. The paint doesn't need to be smooth or even. Now use stencils, stamps, or any other tools you have and create marks in the paint. Sorry for the interruption, but if you have my new book, this process is on page 111. Thank you. Place the receiving paper over the plate and press it down with a clean brayer. Now lift and pull the paint onto the receiving paper. And now you have a beautiful background for your photo. Like I mentioned before, you can use any object you have around in order to make impressions in the paint. I really like using this pack of inexpensive stencils I got from Amazon, and if you're interested, there's a link below this video. So now let's transfer a photo onto the background we made before. So this is the photo I'm going to transfer. The photo needs to be clear with high contrast. Use a laser printer to print your photo. But if you don't have a laser printer, you can always use a toner-based photocopy from your local copy center. By the way, I placed link to my laser printer and the paper I'm using below this video, so make sure to check it out. For the photo, it's a good idea to choose a dark, heavy body paint in order for the image to stand over the background. Use a soft rubber brayer to lay the paint over the gel plate. Make sure you spread it smoothly and evenly. Now place your photo face down onto the wet paint and lightly press it down. This will basically create the transfer of the photo. And yeah, we got a good impression of the photo in the paint. If you like this process, you're going to love my new book, the new mixed media photography book. Check it out, it's on Amazon. And they'll print it just for you. So check it out soon. Now let's pull the photo onto the background we made before. Place the background over the photo while the paint is still wet. And use a clean brayer to press it down. This will help pull the photo onto the background. When the paper sticks like this to the plate, it's a good sign. Please keep in mind that this is not a difficult process, but it will probably take you a few tries to get it to work. Just follow it step by step, and in no time you will be making beautiful monoprints. Just like any other form of art, there's a learning curve, which in my opinion is not that steep, but nonetheless, it's there. I really hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something new. Let me know in the comments below this video if you're going to try this process, and also if you have any questions for me about this process. I also offer an online class teaching this process, how to gel print your own photos. So if you're interested, check out the links below this video. It's a really fun class, so check it out. I, of course, had a lot of fun making this video, so I think I'll make more gel printing and photo transfer videos soon. So be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any future videos. We're getting close to 50,000 subscribers, so maybe there'll be a future giveaway soon. So be sure to share this channel so we can get to 50,000 subscribers sooner than later and have our fun giveaway. But if you don't have one, you can easily... So make sure to check out all the... What are we gonna make today? Yeah, that sounds better. Photo transfer. Yeah. So check out the... Never mind. Yay, I said it. Oopsie. From your local photo. That sounds better. I think so. So yeah, I'll be able to buy more art supplies and test new things and hopefully come up with new processes for you. So I can make more interesting videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.